Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts onto your Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into your official Gmail account if you have already logged in, or you will be asked to sign in by using your credentials. After signing into your account by using your credentials, you will be taken to your inbox. Now from your inbox page, tap on the apps menu at the top right corner and then click on contacts. You will then be taken into your Google Contacts page. Now from your contacts page, in order to add any contact, you can simply click on the plus icon at the top left corner. Now you can create an individual contact or you can create multiple ones at the same time as well. After clicking on the create option, you have various different options such as adding your profile picture, the name of the contact, and various other details such as their email address and their phone number as well. After entering all of your information, click on the save button and now your contact will be added right away. You can make any changes by clicking on the edit button, and you can also add a profile picture by clicking on the plus icon alongside your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new contact onto your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.